I just spit when I said that. I saw the spit. That's so gross. I am now a plus person, and this is what I say. So, how, I don't even know. That... Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is day 1 of May 2019 box week. Oh, I was like right there, I was like, oh shoot, I started this and I don't even know what month it is. Then I realized it was May, and no, I usually know what day and everything it is, but whenever I get on here filming, I'm just like, I forget. So, hi, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, I'm Drew, and box week is really the best week every month. I'm like literally trying to think of what I'm supposed to say. I don't know if I'm gonna like try and do the same like intro anymore. Not that it's actually been the same at all, but to me, I feel like there's like a thing that I say when I start videos, and I just feel like I'm not gonna probably do that anymore as much. So, not because I don't want to, just because like I feel like I just can't. So if you're brand new on my YouTube channel and you're watching this video and you're thinking like, you know what? I like her. She's got some moxie. Click the red subscribe button. Also, as a professional YouTuber would say, not that I am, I'm just like literally trying to emulate greatness. You should like this video if you like it. Like, press the like button. I just spit when I said that. I saw the spit. That's so gross. I'm sorry if you got wet. Oh, you should leave a comment too. Yeah, like you should be like, this video was not what I expected, and I am not a fan of it, but I am a fan of Drew. That's fair feedback. That's... So, anyways, this video is the first week of box week. This is our new styled box week because this month we're trying something different. I'm gonna see how this works for the next couple of months. If you guys like totally like hate it, then I will probably change things up, and I'm gonna test it out. So, you know, I was like having issues with subscription boxes. I got rid of the Macy's box, like that's overdone, canceled. And then I told you that I couldn't really find a box that I wanted to try yet. So I'm gonna try doing just 6 subscription boxes. And then the 7th video will be like a video where I tell you about like new products I like, or I've been testing out, or my favorites, or hauls, like stuff that I've been hauling together. So we're gonna try that and see how we like that. So we're still gonna have 7 days, but we're only gonna do 6 boxes, and the 7th day is gonna be like something different every month. So today I'm opening a brand new to me box. You probably saw from the picture what I got going on, but I finally, after like all of this time and after being a long time dedicated subscriber to Ipsy, I have been given the opportunity for the Ipsy Glam Plus. Yeah! So I don't know what's in here. Like, I honestly, like, you guys have been like, you should check out the Glam Plus. And I'll be real with you, I have literally never, ever, and I'm so serious, like never looked to see what anyone actually gets in this box. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, because I just invested a lot more money into this box every month than my original subscription with Ipsy. So yeah, so it's like I was kind of sad because we're no longer doing the Ipsy bag, but we're doing the Glam Bag. Is it the Glam Bag or the Glam Box Plus? How? I don't even know. That's something you can comment. Let me know how I'm supposed to officially, now that I'm a plus person, you can be like, Drew, this is how you are a plus person, is by saying it this way. And I will be like, I am now a plus person, and this is what I say. So, I have John Wayne here. We're just gonna get into it. Oh wait, nope, just kidding. One more thing. We gotta put this away safely. We had a winner for last month's stockpile giveaway, so we'll be filling up this box here. So basically what happens with that, if you're brand new, I get so many subscription boxes, so I keep some stuff, give some stuff away. Once the box is full, I just post a video saying, hey, you wanna win this stuff? This is how you enter. So, that's it. Okay, so now officially into the Glam Bag Box Plus, the Ipsy Plus, the Super Ipsy. I don't know. So supposedly, like, I've heard people be like, oh my gosh, it's amazing. I've heard people be like, oh my gosh, it's not amazing. So I don't know. This is my first one ever. Like I said, I really like I have not looked to see what people get. And I'm weird like that. The thing for me is like, I like to be surprised, and I feel like it's more fun when I go into these blind, like I don't really know what to expect, and then you just see my honest reaction. So also, please don't ever comment to tell me what I'm gonna be getting in any boxes in upcoming months, just because like, for me, then that ruins the like surprise and the like, I don't know what to expect. So, all right, opening it up on the top, there is blue foam. That was unexpected. I didn't expect blue foam, but it's on there. It says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. Okay, that's kind of cute. I want to say this box itself feels a little bit flimsy. Like it's just kind of like not really, it's not really there. So that's, not that that's like negative, it's just they expected a stronger box. Maybe that's intentional, maybe that's the way it's supposed to be. I've got a lot of things to say and I haven't even gotten in here yet. So on the top it says, your dreams are your realities in waiting. Ipsy Daydream, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, that's what it's called, Glam Bag Plus. It says right there. I'm guessing this tells me everything inside, so we're just gonna be careful with that. All right, on the top here we have Lust and Media, but what are they? I never can pronounce this. Masqua coloring pencil lip crayons. Oh, so 2 full-size lip crayons in Lust and Media. So they're actually packaged together. I told you guys so are these like lip coloring pencil, lip crayon? I don't know. Should we let's just sneak into one of these and just see what it looks like? Because I don't really do lip pencils. It's not really my thing. So I feel like this is something that would be really, I can't even get it open. See, the problem is if I open this, I'm gonna have to get up in there and I wanna keep the boxes nice. Oh shoot, this one's getting ripped. I'm so sorry, it's getting ripped. Okay, all right, let's just carefully take one of these out to see if it looks like a lip. Oh gosh, why? It won't even come out. Oh geez, it almost fell out. All right, so it's like a lip pencil. This one's like a nice pink color. So you know what? I'm gonna put these into the stockpile giveaway. I don't really use lip pencils much. I'm just like a straight on, put it on. And I'm more of a glossy girl, so that's gonna go in there. The next item that we have is Tokyo Milk Lip Gloss. Okay, now here we go. This is something my speed. It's called Tokyo Milk. I don't know how I feel about that, but I feel like it's lip gloss and that's all I really care about at this point. So obviously it looks like everything is full size. Oh y'all, this is pretty. Look at how pretty the pink. I don't even know what I just said, but look at it. Let's not focus on what I said and focus on how pretty it is. The color is called Sheer. Okay, that's a descriptive name. So there we go. Alrighty, let's put that on. Oh my gosh. So it really is just like sheer lip gloss and you're probably like, why are you getting so excited? Because I love sheer lip gloss. I just feel like when you're done with your makeup and you're like, I don't know what to do with this mouth. Sheer lip gloss knows what to do with that mouth. So, you know, there's that. All right, the next thing that we have is Face Hero, a powerful and protective face oil. Oh my gosh. It's from GoTo. I actually need face oil because I feel like my face oil is about to run out. Oh snap, look at this. Look at this, it's a face oil, it's full size. The box fell, a powerful and protective face oil. Pure, potent super oils and antioxidants penetrate deeply to hydrate and revive and ensure your lovely face against the appearance of fine lines and dark spots. Okay. Face Hero is your all-in-one skin guardian and best friend. Oh, that's cute. All right, so I'm gonna put a little bit of this. Okay, it's like a yellow color. I'm just gonna try this out on my hand to see what it feels like. Ooh, that is super hydrating. Actually, I like the way it feels. It doesn't have much of a smell, which I really like that. I don't like when face products have a lot of smell to them because it's on my face now and I have to live with it. I have to have you on my face now smelling this way all day or all night. I'm just not about that. So I like the feel of it. I like the way how smooth it is. It also feels deeply hydrating. So and you can just tell that it absorbs really well into the skin because sometimes you put on face products or oils and they kind of just sit there. This actually gets all up in your business and was like, what's up? I'm all up in your face. So I like that. Next we have Thermal Avenue, I don't even know what I'm saying, Avene Mask Hydrant, Soothing Moisture Mask. Okay, so this is a soothing moisture mask for sensitive skin. I feel like nothing is focusing right now, so we're just gonna hold that there awkwardly for a long period of time. Yeah, so far I'm kind of keeping everything. I think some of it's because I've never had the Glam Bag Plus, I know how to say it now, and I'm kind of just interested in seeing how everything works. So this is a soothing moisture mask. I'm gonna just smell it to see what it's like. Oh, there's a thing on the top of it. Oh shoot, there's a little thing on the top. So honestly, I feel like this is something I'm gonna put in the stockpile giveaway. I actually just got a bunch of like soothing sheet masks, and I do have like some cooling and soothing masks, and I want to put a little bit more in the giveaway box. So if you've tried this, comment below and let everyone know how you like it. It's for sensitive skin, it's hypoallergenic. I feel like that's really awesome too, because like this is really good for this time of year, especially if you get like a little sunburn. Soothing mask is gonna like fix your life. Finally, we have Wander Beauty Wanderess Seascape eyeshadow palette. So a full-size eyeshadow palette from Wander Beauty. So I've seen Wander Beauty, they have really good like under eye gels, things like that. I don't know if I've ever actually tried though. Oh, I can't get it open, but guess what? Got my knife, my pocket knife. I don't know if I've ever actually tried their eyeshadows before. I think we've gotten lip products from them, but I don't know if I've ever tried Wander Beauty eyeshadow. So I'm kind of interested to see, first off, what this actually looks like. So you won't believe this. I cut the seal on it and I can't actually get it open still. Maybe you will believe that. So I literally, oh dang it. I have oil on my hands. It won't open. This is terrible. Well, I can tell you right now that I'm tearing this box, so that's happening. All right, so let's see here what we have going on. Ooh. These are kind of really pretty colors. Look at that. So these are the colors on there. All right, so we have Champagne Harbor, Sea Salt, Golden Reef, Seafoam, Sand Dollar, and Coastal. They're mostly all shimmers except for like Sand Dollar. So I'm going to swatch them really quickly on my arm so we can see kind of how the texture is. So these are the kind of sparkly shades that okay, they're really not coming up very much. And that doesn't necessarily mean that it's not like quality. So something that happens with like shimmery tones at times is that essentially if you don't have like a glitter primer on, you don't use like the right tool to pick up the color, it's not going to show up. So that's how they swatch. Not really that great, but I feel like with a glitter primer it would be better. So actually I'm gonna do that really quick. I'll come back, I'm gonna try one of these with a glitter primer just to see like if it actually looks better. So give me 1 second. Alrighty, I'm back. So my favorite glitter primer is Too Faced Glitter Glue. I'm gonna put just like a tiny bit of that on the back of my hand just to rub that in, and then we'll test out one of the shimmery tones to see if that's better, because when I swatch them it didn't really come up. And so the problem is a lot of times you'll go to a store and you'll swatch makeup and you're like, oh, this is like not great, it doesn't come up at all. We're gonna do the color Seafoam because that one seems like the most fun, and see what the swatch is like with that. Yep, okay, so that's kind of what I thought. So when you go in a store and you try products out, so this is how everything's swatched. I think this one is Seafoam on my arm here, just a dry swatch, right? Okay, so now I'm gonna show you what it looks like with glitter glue right there. Yeah, see how that's like totally different? That's how it's swatched with just like dry. And then with the glitter glue, it's like totally like showing up and popping and showing the color. So that's a little like, I guess a little tip from me. If you ever go to a store like Sephora or Ulta and you're trying out a palette and you want to test out the swatches, try it with like a glitter adhesive because that's actually going to show you better of what it is. I just wiped like everything off. I was like literally just like, well, let me just wipe myself clean on video. Okay, so quickly to recap my box here. We got the 2 lip pencils from Iamasqua, I don't know how to say Iamasca. Those are the first item going into the stockpile giveaway. I can't get it open, so all right, there we go. We also got the soothing hydrating mask or moisture mask, which is going into there as well. We got the Tokyo Milk sheer lip gloss, which is really pretty, even though I wiped off the swatch now. And we got the Wander Beauty Wanderess palette, which is right there. The colors were really pretty with glitter glue. And then we got the Go-To Face Hero face oil, which I'm actually really excited about this. I feel like that's gonna be a really awesome product for me to try out. So that's all I have for you guys today, but if you wanna see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you wanna part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join the Forever family, because we are literally the best crew on, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so much, and if you like this video and you wanna see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 2 of Box Week. All right, talk to you. I love you. Goodbye. Bye. Show them what you got. It's like it's just really pretty shimmery. Oh yes. My gosh. This was a good box. Yes. I'm very happy with it. Except for the fact that I got another mascara. But I'm okay with it. But they said